Hello everyone, and thank you very much for sending me different type of e-cards, images, logos, and some sort of other greetings. And I'm very grateful to all of you, and I'm very thankful to all of you. It is my pleasure that I'm teaching on this global platform, and I'm teaching globally around the globe. And I have also taught more than 5,000 students in different live classes, and more than 8,072 teachers in different live sessions. And again, thank you, and must requesting you that must subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also share my channel to your arounds, to your dignitaries, to your fellows, to your students, to your young ones, to your youngsters. And thank you. And I'm just a pupil of Urdu and English, and I'm just a pupil of Urdu literature and English literature. And thank you very much for your compliments. Thank you very much, and thanks. Best regards, and thank you. Have a good day. And thanks. Best regards, and thank you. Have a good day.